How to install the Houdini 22 harness. Firstly, remove the harness from the packaging and remove the rubber bands holding the folded webbing. Next, locate the fixing strap that is a separate part from the harness pad. This has 3 parts to it. You need to locate the buckle that is beside a rattly adjustable metal tri-glide. It'll look like this. Now you have that in hand, pass the buckle from the front of the seat over the backrest just under the headrest. Next, slip the webbing with no buckles attached between the seat cushion and the back cushion, like so. The webbing will then meet the metal tri-glide at the back of the seat. The webbing needs to be threaded and locked like this, under and over the metal bar, and then pulled firmly. Now thread the remaining webbing through the plastic tri-glide, under and over like so, to fully secure the fixing strap. Next, take the remaining chest section and place it over the user's head. Attach the 2 waist straps together and pull to tighten. These can now be rotated to the side of the body so they're not pressed against the user's back, making it uncomfortable. Now have the user seated. Next, attach the shoulder straps that come together to form a V to the buckle that is on the back of the vehicle seat. Pull to tighten so it's not loose and the buckle is away from the user's neck and on the backrest instead. This might need some adjusting depending on the size of the vehicle seat. Next, take the strap that is on the vehicle seat cushion and pull it up between the user's legs. Attach it to the hook on the user's chest pad. Pull the strap to tighten. Do not over tighten as this may hurt the user. Now ensure all buckles are secured and the straps are tightened. Next, place the neoprene pads on the user's shoulders and between the legs and fold together, securing in place with Velcro. These are not mandatory to use, however they do make the harness more comfortable, especially for longer journeys. Very important, lastly, place the vehicle seat belt on the user over the top of the harness. You are now ready to use the Houdini 22 harness.